Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am Janine. In today's video we're going to look at all the things that I have crocheted within the last 2 weeks. That's actually going to be used for the market I'll be attending in 2 weeks. So I have 2 weeks left until I do this market. So let's get started. So as you guys know, I already sell handbags, and my handbags are lined with Anchor fabric. The majority of them are, and so I decided to actually add more stuff to my market to attend the market. So I also already have hats on my website, so I have handbags and hats. But I also made some other hats to go along with whatever I already have, and I have several of them just ready to show. I did create some other bags to go along with what I have in my inventory. So let's take a look at the items that I am adding to my inventory to actually go to the market and ensure that I do have enough. As you can see, I'm showing the new space. Do you see? So let's get started. So on my mannequin head, I have cat beanie. So I decided to make some cat beanies just to add to my hat collection and give me more options for people to actually purchase at the market, other than the hats that I've already had in my inventory. So I have this is a camo cat beanie. I also have several more here. I did a black and white. I did a red and white. And this one here is more on fall colors. It has a pumpkin, olive, brown, and then like a cream color. And then this one is black with a multi-color green with white and blue. So that is the cat beanies that I did. And I just did a little bit of each because I didn't want to overdo it. Excuse me, because I have dealing with allergies. It seems like my allergies this year 2025 have been it's been the worst. So excuse me if you see me just trying to make sure my eyes are not watering. So yeah, that is my my cat beanies. Now, granny square hats. Now these hats was created from the granny squares that I actually made for that first market I was supposed to attend. So these are the granny squares are the same colors. It's just the outline is in this this is a maroon wine color. That's big yarn twist. I mean big twist yarn, big yarn twist. Girl, get it together. A big twist yarn. And then I have the royal blue one. So 2 granny square hats. And then this was one of the hats that I showed in a previous video. And let me let you see what the granny square hat looked like on the mannequin head. And it has a little ruffle at the bottom. Little ruffles. So that's what it looks like. And like I was saying, this hat I showed in another video. I actually finished this hat. And it's really, I love how this actually came out. Of course, it may, you know, sit back, but that's how I wanted it actually, with the, you know, the ruffles around it. So that's the camo one. Then I made, this one is in a pumpkin color, and it has the multi-blue. And this pumpkin color came from Hobby Lobby, and then the multi-blue, it is a big twist yarn. And I believe this is called, this multi-blue is called Mountainside. And it's really, really pretty. And it kind of sit low in the back. But I love the colors, and I actually love how this came out. Now the other one, I actually made 3 hats, you know, on this style. So this is the last one I'm about to show you. This is a black and white one. The next thing I created was the scrunchies. Those scrunchies, I actually used Dollar Tree yarn to create the scrunchies. And I have a big container of scrunchies that I created. Now this is a new item because I didn't know what to do with that Dollar Tree yarn. So this is a new item. And I have several colors. This is a brown. This is a mauve color. I have white, pink. This is that like a salt and pepper black. And then I have the red like that. This one reminds me of almost like a candy can. Green. And a blue. So that's all the scrunchies that I made. And for the handbags, I actually use some yarn that I purchased from, it's t-shirt yarn that I actually purchased from Lindy Hobby, and it is the prints. So it's not, it's, you know, it's printed t-shirt yarn. So this is one bag I created. I have my lining. In these prints, I'm actually doing, some of them are going to be solid colors. It just depends on what it is, because the bag, the outside of the bag is print. So I don't want to go inside the bag with you know, another print. So I came up with, like, this is t-shirt yarn, and this bag is gonna be lined with a solid color t-shirt fabric, is what I want to say. Then I have this one, and this is a like an eggplant purple, and all of them have the TBOQ logo hanging from it. And so this one will be lined with and just a regular t-shirt fabric as well. This is a eggplant. So I decided to go with trying to do t-shirt yarn for the printed bags, because Anchor of fabric is printed. I mean, it's you know, it's multi-colors. So I needed to go with solid colors for this. So only for my printed bags, I chose to use a cotton or t-shirt fabric to line the bag with. So that is that bag. Here is just a navy with white polka dots on it. I'm going to line this bag with this Anchor of fabric, because you see it, you know, it, when you think about it and you creating handbags, hats, whatever you create, and you are trying to line them, then you want it to, you know, look good, so that people would be interested in it. So I think with this having the little navy in it and it look like polka dots, it's a flower, I'm going to line this bag with this. I think it's going to come out nice. So that's that. Now this is was a black and white printed t-shirt yarn, and this is how it came out. It was striped. I want to show you. Hold on. This is what this is. It's black and white stripe, and you see how it came out. Is I want to call this a Dalmatian bag. And I actually put it on the side to hang the logo. But if you guys are interested in t-shirt yarn, if you are making bags, I would suggest ordering from Lindy Hobby if you can. They have some nice printed yarn, and I think this came out really, really nice. I didn't know what it was gonna work up as, but yeah, it's a black and white stripe, and it came out like a Dalmatian. Now for this one, I'm going to line it, and I'm just gonna line it with, this is Anchor of fabric, and I'm just gonna line it with this fabric. This is also Anchor of fabric, and I'm lining that bag with that. So it just depends on my bag, and if I'm using a print, whether or not if the Anchor of fabric will look nice with the printed t-shirt yarn. You know, that's how I'll make a decision if I want to use a t-shirt fabric inside it, or use Anchor of fabric or some other type of fabric. But for the most part, my bags are aligned with Anchor of fabric. And speaking of that, I need to be looking into maybe ordering some more, because I'm kind of like out somewhat, or running out of different prints. So so yeah, with 2026 coming in, I want to have some fresh prints for bags going forward, because some of my fabric I have put it into rotation, and I have used several bags, so I don't want to continue using it. And for the most part, once I run out, you know, it's time to restock with another, you know, round of fabric, if I'm going to keep a print or if I'm going to change it out for something else. So yeah, so I think that is everything that I am taking with me, that I have added on to my inventory. As you can see at the top, that is inventory. And so yeah, I think I have enough stuff to bring with me. I'm working on one more item to bring with me, and I will come back with that item once I come back with a part 2, because this is part 1. I'm going to show a part 2 after I line these bags. So once I show my part 2, I'll show you one more thing that I am working on to take with me to my market. It's a really, really nice item. It can be added, you know, as, you know, a accessory. So it's another new item that I will add to my inventory, especially if it sells really well at the market. So that is it, guys. I know I have been away and have not posted, and I know I said I wanted to be consistent in my posting, and I think that that's probably going to come after the market. But I've been working on items to add to my inventory and ensuring that I have enough to take with me. So I don't want to overload this video. I just wanted to show you guys what I am taking with me to the market. And that is it. I will come back to you with part 2. Just letting you know and see the inside of these bags once they are lined. So if you like what you've seen in this video and you want to see more of it, give me a thumbs up. If you have subscribed to my channel, I thank you for subscribing. I appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed, I hope you see something that you like that will want you to subscribe to my channel and see more of what I have to show as far as my crochet craft and moving forward in 2026. Things that are new to TBOQ. So subscribe to my channel, and I see you guys in the next one. Bye.